Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Switch Pro controller to PC Instant Fix step by step clearly. To connect your Switch Pro controller to your PC, start by ensuring your controller is fully charged. Turn on your PC and log into your Windows desktop. Now, locate the Bluetooth settings on your PC. Click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Bluetooth into the search bar and select Bluetooth and other device settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, take your Switch Pro controller and hold the sync button located on the top of the controller. The indicator lights on the controller will start flashing, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your PC, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the list of options that appears. Your PC will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your Switch Pro controller shows up in the list as Pro Controller, click on it. Wait a moment for the connection to establish. Once connected, you'll see a notification that says your device is ready to go. You can now test the controller by launching a game or using a compatible app. If you're having trouble with connectivity, consider resetting the controller. To do this, press the small reset button on the back of the controller with a pin or paperclip. After resetting, repeat the pairing process from the beginning. If you prefer a wired connection, connect the controller to your PC using a USB-C cable. Your PC should automatically recognize the controller without additional setup. Now, you can easily enjoy gaming with your Switch Pro controller on your PC. If you encounter any issues, ensure your Windows is updated and check your Bluetooth drivers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.